Hello guys, this is Lisa from Daily Life Engineering. Today I will show you how to draw graph in using Microsoft Word. In my previous video I have shown you that drawing graph using Microsoft Excel, but you can draw it in Microsoft Word too. So at first you have to go to Insert and then go to the chart. Then I will take the area, then click OK. Okay, uh, here is your chart, and you can change the title here, chart title, and you can change the area shown in here, chart in the chart. You can change that also, and I will write it down here. First chart. Here it is changed, and the second one I will write down second chart. Okay, is already changed. Then I can change the value here, right? When I change the value, then the chart will also change, like I'm doing that. It is changing, right? And I'll change that also. I'm putting some random value of my choice. Okay, that's my value. And now I will change the, here they have put some date. I will change the, I will go to the format cell, and here you can select the category, and I will take maybe number. So here is the sample how we can take the number. Okay, I'm taking number. Okay, I'll take 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. This is my sample where we can take it in the x-axis, and the y-axis will be divided in the hair. So you can draw, you can have the chart or draw an area chart very easily in Microsoft Word. So you can also convert it in Microsoft Excel. So this is the Excel. If you want to, if you are very comfortable with the Microsoft Excel, then you can convert these values in the in Microsoft Excel's spreadsheet. You can take that here there, and you can also see that this is also look like Microsoft Excel's spreadsheet. Okay, that's all for today. If you like my video, then give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Thank you.